Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn about how to animate the staggered list. Here, when I try to refresh this page, we are able to see that these all courses are coming at a time like this, right? So we'll try to have an animation in such a way that it will come one by one. The animation of each course should animate one after the another. So for this one, how we can do this? So we need to do little bit of logic for this. So let's try to complete this one. So here we are having this courses.component.html, right? So here we are having this course add trigger. So in order to implement this one, so we have a lifecycle hooks for this course add trigger. Whenever the animation is occurred, so we will be having two phases of animation callbacks. So one is what I can say is @course add trigger dot start. Okay, so this is one thing. So animation start, here I can write on animation start and dot done. So these are the two things. So here on course add start, on course add done. So I will try to show on course add start, and you will get an event which is of type animation event. So here we need to import it from Angular/animations. So here we need to import it, where it is, from Angular/animations, and here let's try to console event console.log like this. And in the same scenario, we will be having on course add done. So this also should be imported from the animation event, and I will console this one event also, console.log on course done of event. So these are the two things. So these are the two callbacks which I want to discuss with you, start and done. And now if you see the output for this one, let's go to the inspect element, and here if I try to show you the inspect element in the console, right? So you will be able to see start and done. So when the animation is starting, so you will be able to see one, and when it is done, you will be able to see these all dones. So these all started at a time and these all ended at a time. And here you will be able to see the what I can see is the object. So here we will be able to see disable false and the element for which the animation has been occurred, from which state to which state has been went, from void to null it has been went. So right now we are not adding any state, right? That is the reason. So total time of seconds it has took milliseconds, and the trigger name and also the phase name start. And here also you will be able to see the phase name start. At the last you will be able to see the phase name of done. So these are the not life cycle hooks, animation callbacks which are present in the animating. Now when you want to do the staggered list animation, what we can do is we will be using the dot done. So here I will be using this dot done, and I will pass comma I. Now dot done means, so whenever it is completed it will done. So here what I will do is, for this one I will remove this on course add start. So this is the done is there. I will take another new one, not new one. So here displayed courses, I will take it as an array. So which is of type course of empty. Okay, so these are the displayed courses. So these are the courses which we need to display at the starting time when we are getting the courses. So I will try to push one displayed course, displayed courses dot push courses of 0. I will push first one, only first one. So we need to loop over this one. Instead of looping over the courses, we will loop over the displayed courses. Now if you try to see, only one course will come. What is the what is the one? I. Okay, we need to take the I also. I is nothing but a number. Here I will take this I, which is of type number. So we are taking the I also, right? So if you try to see, so you will be able to get only one course will be displayed. Yes. So I need to display all these things one by one. So when the animation is done, okay, so here I can check that if event dot from state, it is not equal to void. So if it is not coming, I will return it. And here I will write if this dot courses dot length is greater than I plus 1, then I will push each of the display courses into this one, courses of I plus 1. Now if you see the output for this one, at a time we will be able to see one by one it will come. 1, 2, 3. See, here we have created a staggered list animation. If I try to add another one, hopefully that will be added. Hey, it's not added. Why? So here I need to add something like, if it is not there means, then I can write something like this dot displayed courses is equal to this dot courses. Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. So when nothing is happened, so I will do it like this. Now let's try to refresh this page. Now like this, and if I try to click on this add animation, and if I try to save this one, see, it has been added at the bottom. So like this we are able to get this data. So this is how we will be doing it. So here what I have did, I have used this animation callbacks. So I am using this called course at trigger.done. When it is completed, so I am firing this method course at done, and here I am taking a temporary variable displayed course in order to create a staggered list. I am pushing at the starting one, and afterwards when this done is there means, so I am checking that whether it is coming from void or not. So that means null, so nothing from not from something state, from nothing state to. So I am checking, and I am checking that length greater than i+1. I am pushing each course one by one. When the animation is completed, each course I am pushing one by one, and afterwards I am pushing all the courses to here. So this is how we will be making the staggered animation. So now what I will do is, I will commit this all the code in a new branch, video-39. Whoever may be having a doubts or anything, if you want to refer this staggered list animation, so you can check over this code, staggered list animation. I will commit this all the code. So let me publish this branch, and here I will show you. So whoever may be having a doubts or anything, so what I can say is, let's go to our GitHub animations. So this is our animations GitHub repository URL. Whoever want to refer the code or anything, they can go to this particular video branch and they can check my code. Okay. So hope you understood about this staggered list animation. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.